How to become wealthy using AI solutions. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized various industries and transformed the way we live and work. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI solutions are becoming increasingly prevalent in our daily lives. One area where AI is creating significant opportunities is in wealth generation. In this video, we will explore how you can leverage AI solutions to enhance your wealth-building efforts and potentially achieve financial success. AI-driven investment strategies. AI-powered investment platforms have emerged as a game-changer in the financial world. These platforms utilize sophisticated algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make data-driven investment decisions. By using AI solutions, investors can benefit from faster and more accurate predictions, reduced risk, and improved portfolio management. Automated trading systems based on AI algorithms can execute trades at lightning speed, taking advantage of market fluctuations and optimizing investment outcomes. Enhanced market research. In today's fast-paced business environment, staying ahead of the competition requires in-depth market research. AI solutions can provide valuable insights by analyzing vast amounts of data from various sources, including social media, consumer behavior, and industry trends. By leveraging AI-driven market research tools, entrepreneurs can identify emerging market trends, understand customer preferences, and make informed business decisions. This can lead to the development of innovative products or services, increasing the likelihood of business success and wealth creation. AI-powered personal finance management. Managing personal finances effectively is essential for building wealth. AI-powered personal finance management tools offer features like automated budgeting, expense tracking, and personalized financial advice. These tools analyze your spending patterns, identify areas where you can save money, and provide recommendations to optimize your financial decisions. By leveraging AI in personal finance, individuals can gain better control over their spending, save more, and make smarter investment choices, ultimately contributing to long-term wealth creation. AI-driven entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs can leverage AI solutions to streamline operations, automate tasks, and improve decision-making processes. AI-powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries, freeing up human resources to focus on strategic initiatives. Natural language processing (NLP) algorithms can analyze customer feedback, enabling businesses to identify areas for improvement and enhance customer satisfaction. Moreover, AI-driven predictive analytics can help entrepreneurs identify market gaps, target the right audience, and develop effective marketing strategies, resulting in increased business growth and potential wealth generation. AI in real estate. The real estate industry is another sector where AI is making a significant impact. AI-powered platforms can analyze vast amounts of property data, including historical sales, market trends, and demographic information, to provide accurate property valuations. Real estate investors can leverage this information to identify undervalued properties and make informed investment decisions. Furthermore, AI solutions can automate property management processes, optimize rental pricing, and enhance the overall profitability of real estate investments. After concluding our compilation, it has obviously become clear to you as well that the AI solutions are transforming the way wealth is generated in various industries. By leveraging AI-driven investment strategies, entrepreneurs, investors, and individuals can enhance their financial outcomes and increase their wealth potential. From automated investment platforms to AI-powered personal finance management tools, the opportunities to leverage AI for wealth creation are abundant. However, it's important to note that while AI can enhance decision-making processes, human oversight and critical thinking remain crucial for successful wealth generation. By combining the power of AI with human expertise, individuals and businesses can unlock new possibilities and embark on a path to financial success. If you found the video interesting, please honor us with a like. For similar videos, click on the subscribe button and don't forget the bell. We wish you another wealthy day.